So today is December 8, and we have a private conference for one goods and services project, that is 23GB014, supply and delivery of various shop tools and equipment for use in the DPWH Regional Office number 2. So kindly proceed with the presentation.
Good morning, Ma'am Mili, Sir Kevin, and other members of the National Working Group. With me is the contract data for this contract ID number 23GB014. Project name, supply and delivery of various shop tools and equipment for use in the DPWH Regional Office 2. Location is DPWH Regional Office 2. Regional Government Center, Caric, Sur, Pero City, Cagayan. Implementing Office, DPWH Office number 2. Funding source, FY 2023 CAA. Approved ABC for this project is 2,906,085 pesos. Delivery period is 30 calendar days upon receipt of NP. For the schedule of requirements, we have universal diagnostic tool, 12 volts, 24 volts for light and heavy equipment, 1 piece. Electric power sprayer, 1 piece. Car scraper, 1 piece. Battery tester digital, 1 piece. Pencil cartridge voltage circuit, 1 piece. Jumper cables, negative and positive, 1 set. Tire gauge digital, 1 piece. Motor engine oil quality detector, 1 piece. Ball joint separator, 1 set. Air ratchet, 1 piece. Portable electric drill, 1/2 inch, 1 unit. Socket wrench 3/4 drive, 8 to 24, 1 set. Socket wrench 1/2 drive, deep socket 8 to 32, 1 set. Open wrench 8 to 32, 1 set. Box wrench 8 to 32, 1 set. Drill bit steel 1/8 to 1/2 inch, 1 set. Mobile fuel filter with water separator, 1 set. And for the technical specs, for item number 1, the universal diagnostic tool for light and heavy equipment consists of operating system with Android 4.3, screen size 10.1. Storage capacity is 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM. Wi-Fi is frequency 2.4 GB plus 5.8 GB dual band Wi-Fi. Bluetooth BT 4.0 BLE plus 1 transmission distance. Lithium ion polymer battery 3.7 volts per 10,000 milliamperes. Operating temperature is -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Storage temperature -30 to 70 degrees Celsius. For the electric power sprayer, consists of high pressure hose, 10 meters, suction hose with filter, return hose, spray gun, the base, gasket, and a single phase electric motor, 220 volts at 60 Hz, 2.8 amperes, 1100 watts, equivalent to 1.5 horsepower. For the car clipper, 40-inch plastic car clipper net, weight of 5 kilograms, the overall size of 1010 by 475 by 130 millimeter. For the battery tester, digital type is auto running clamp, measures AC current and NCVT via clamp, and DC-DC voltage, resistance, and continuity via test strips. Automatic ranging for measurements and CVT. The materials is ABS electronics. The battery is 3 AA. Motor power off. The jaw size is 1.6 inches, equivalent to 4.1 centimeter. The drag protection is 6.6 feet, equivalent to 2 meters. Display of 200 count backlit LCD. Function is AC current, NVCT, AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity. Voltage is 600 volts AC/DC. Current is 400 amperes AC. For the resistance is 20 mho. Voltage is 600 volts. DC voltage 600 volts. The DC polarity is indicator yes. Standard cut-free 600 volts plus 2. Double insulation safety rating CE certified. Included is carrying case instructions, test leads and batteries. For the overall length is 8.45 inches. Overall height is 1.5 inches. And the overall width is 3.5 inches. With a weight of 11 ounces, equivalent to 340 grams. For the ball joint separator, for the pencil cartridge voltage circuit, material is a plastic carbon steel. Clamp capacity is 1 to 20 amperes. Valve is 3 watt traceable. Voltage is 6 volts to 24 volts. Bend length is 17.3 centimeters or 6.8 inches. The probe length is 8.3 centimeters, 3.3 inches line length. For the port is 0.3 meters. Jumper cables. The negative and positive cord length is 35 feet with a cable capacity of 500 amperes. For the tire gauge digital specs is easy to read, convertible PSI bar APA kilograms per centimeter square. Thread depth gauge monitor time wear. LED torch can be used at night. The grip is rubber finish, non-slip or portable grip. Display is LCD digital display. For the motor engine oil quality detector, power supply voltage is 12 volts. Testing system for oil quality. Working temperature is negative 30 to 75 centigrade. Weight is 20 grams to 300 grams. Size is 83 by 53 by 13 millimeter. Suitable for gas and diesel engine. For the ball joint separator, we have the fork 18 millimeter and the length is 410 millimeter. For the drive is tempered black quartz steel body. For the air ratchet is with a drive of 1 amp. Operating pressure is 90 psi. The air consumption is 110 liter per minute. Air inlet is 1/4 inch and the air hose is 3.38 inch. With a maximum torque of 69 Newton meter or 50 foot-pounds. Free speed is 160 RPM with a net weight of 1.88 kilograms. For the portable electric drill is 1/2 drive, electric 4.0 80 for 8 volts. For impact rate 0 to 6,200 per minute. Materials tungsten steel shell. Speed is 2-speed power selection switch. The battery is 2 pieces. And for the socket length 3/8 drive, 8 to 24 is a Then the socket rex 100 drive, chip socket is 1 quick release ratchet, socket type 6 points, socket size is from 6 to 24. Extension 3 inch to 38 to 75 and 150 mm. One piece 3/8 universal joint, 3/8 sliding T-bar. One piece professional ratchet, one piece blow mount case. Open range 8 to 32, heavy duty. The sizes of 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 24, 26, 27, 30, and 32 millimeter. For the box is a combination of 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 13, 14 and 15, 16 and 17, 18 and 19, 20, 22, 21, 23, 24, 27, 27, 28, and 30, 30. For the drill bit, it is a 1/8 to 1/2 inch material high-speed steel, number stages 5. Number 1, 3/16 to 1/2 steps. Bali, 1 set na po yan. Then we go to the mobile fuel filter and water separator. Is below 1 micron filtration. Remove moisture down to 60 ppm. The beer pump is 22 liters per minute. Stainless steel liquid filled vacuum gauge. All brass fittings. Excuse me. And heavy duty ball valves. System rated at 22 liters per minute with 2 quarts water separators. Overload switch 4 amperes. Electric motor. Split phase start. Single phase induction motor. 1/3 horsepower. Electric motor at 2.8 amperes single phase. 220 volts 4 volt. Suction side is clear wire braided hose 1/2 inch by 5 meters with stainless steel rod 1/2 by 1.2 meter. The third side is clear wire braided hose 1/2 inch by 5 meter with stainless steel rod 1/2 by 1.2 meter. This includes 12 extra elements with a warranty of 1 year on pump and motor, 5 years on filter, with free training on operation, and free training on contamination control of fuel. That's all.
Thank you, Sir Mary. Meron po tayong katanungan tungkol dun sa technical specifications of equipment. Wala na po. So let's proceed with the next presentation. Good morning, everyone. So for the eligibility requirements, the bidder must have completed a single contract that is similar to this project, equivalent to at least 50% of the ABT. So for this purpose, contracts similar to the project shall be supply and delivery of various shop tools and equipment and completed within 5 years prior to the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. For the submission and receipt of bids, so for the technical proposal contained in the first envelope, free certificate of registration, platinum membership with the updated format, statement of all ongoing and similar completed government and private contracts, computation of NFCC, joint venture agreement if applicable, bid security, statement of single largest completed contract similar to the contract to be bid, the technical specifications, compliance proposal, manpower requirements, after sales service or parts if applicable, and omnibus sworn statement. For the bid security, the bid validity period and the bid security validity period shall be 120 calendar days from the date of submission of bids. The bid security shall include bid securing declaration or at least one other form, which may be a cash or cashier's manager's check issued by a universal or commercial bank, or a bank draft guarantee irrevocable letter of credit issued by a universal or commercial bank, equivalent to 2% of the ABC, or a surety bond callable on demand issued by surety or insurance company duly certified by the Insurance Commission as authorized to issue such security, equivalent to 5% of the ABC. So for the financial proposal, which shall be contained in the second envelope, it should contain the bid form, indicating the total bid price, the bill of quantities with bid prices and delivery schedule, and the recurring and maintenance costs if applicable. During a bid evaluation, the bank shall evaluate the financial proposal using non-discretionary criteria, including arithmetical corrections for computational errors, and determine the correct total calculated bid prices. The bank shall automatically disqualify any calculated bid with bid price which exceeds the ABC. So the following factors are to be considered in the evaluation of the bid prices. As to completeness, if no price is required in required item, it shall be considered non-complying. Indicating a zero or dash, it shall be considered free to the government. All prices are deemed to include all taxes. Bids not addressing or providing all of the required items in the bidding documents, including where applicable, BOQ shall be considered non-responsive. Arithmetical corrections. Bid prices in figures versus words prevails. Total price versus unit price item, unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum of component items, actual prevails. Unit cost and detailed estimate versus unit cost in BOQ, the latter prevails. And if above ABC, shall be considered non-compliant. During post-qualification, the bank shall conduct verification of the compliance of the goods offered with the requirements, verification of legal documents, including licenses, certificates, and permits, verification of work experience, and the declared single largest completed contract similar to the contract being procured, and verification of the bidder's performance in its ongoing projects, considering if there are delay in the partial delivery of goods amounting to 10% of the contract price in its ongoing contract, or unsatisfactory performance of the supplier's obligations as per contract item and conditions at the time of inspection. The contract shall be awarded by the procuring entity to the bidder whose bid has been determined to be the lowest calculated responsive bid from detailed evaluation being conducted. So reminders for the deadline of submission of clarification shall be 10 days before submission of bids. Supplemental or bid bulletins, if any, shall be posted in the PhilJEPS and DPWH website. Deadline for submission of bids shall be on December 20, 2023 until 10 a.m. at the Procurement Conference Room, 4th floor, DPWH Regional Office 2, Extension Building 2, Regional Government Center, Sur, Tuguegarao City, Cagayan. The number of copies of bid proposal shall be one original copy sealed in an envelope. For the date and place of opening of bids, it shall be on December 20, 2023, after the deadline of receipt of bids at the Procurement Conference Room, 4th floor, DPWH Regional Office 2, Extension Building 2, Regional Government Center, Sur, Tuguegarao City. Bidding documents may be downloaded from the PhilJEPS and DPWH website. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Attorney Snail. There are some questions regarding the presentation of complaint regarding the eligibility requirements and etc. Wala po. So,
May I instruct then the secretariat to prepare the minutes of the private conference for this, ano number yan? 23 GB 040, for the private conference of 23 GB 040. So the private conference is adjourned for 23 GB 040.